Hi guys, Little Star here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Funko Shop Exclusive, Charlie is the Director. So here's the front of the box. The side of the box. Here's the back of the box and the other characters for this set. And the other side of the box. Right guys, let's unbox this. Right guys, so here's Charlie as the Director. He's got the classic black jumper, trousers and smart shoes. Doing a cut sign with his hand, holding a load of papers. His little hat. He's got that game face on. Nothing too exciting as it's just a human character. So not much going on. But yeah, that's the Funko Shop Exclusive, Charlie as the Director. I hope you enjoy the video.